Having finally gotten annoyed at my chair sinking on me while trying to edit videos, I decided it was time to do something about it. So our upgrade today will be a new hydraulic cylinder and some new wheels, which, spoiler alert, they're terrible on carpet. The whole process to replace the hydraulic cylinder in an office or gaming chair only takes about 5 minutes, and it's extremely simple. So let's get to it. You'll want to put something under your chair while you're working on it, as the cylinders tend to be greasy and will easily stain your floor. We start off by getting the chair on its side so we can easily access the piston, as well as put on our gloves so we don't end up getting grease on our hands or everything else. And let's start off by moving the plastic dust shield out of the way. Now, to make this job super easy, make sure you buy a cylinder that comes with these piston puller tools. The way that these work is you have your top one, which you don't fully tighten down so it can still slide. Then you take your second one, put it directly below it, but tighten this one down at least a quarter turn past finger tight. Then you take the two longer bolts and thread them through the holes on the bottom. Once they bottom out against the top ring, begin tightening them down about 1 turn per bolt, alternating back and forth. What this is doing is applying pressure to the top ring and actually pushing it up, which is pushing the cylinder out of the slot in the chair. After you've gotten the cylinder to move around a quarter of an inch, it should easily come out of the chair. I wanted to use the ratchet to make it a little bit quicker, but it didn't fit on there with the dust shield in the way, so we're forced to use the Allen wrench. With the cylinder removed, move the chair backing out of the way. Removing the cylinder from the chair base takes a little bit more persuasion with our friend, the rubber mallet. Grab a piece of wood, ideally a 2x4 and not a 1x3 like I used, because that can happen. You're wanting to hold the cylinder with one hand while hitting the top of it with the mallet. Ideally would be to have a friend hold it, and it'd be much easier, but you can do it solo. It should only take 2 or 3 hard hits to get the base off the cylinder. Now the optional part, changing out the wheels or casters. Not all wheels come out as easily as mine do, and if they don't, just use a flathead screwdriver to pry them out. The new wheels are just a press fit in, but if they are a tight fit, you can use some WD-40 to help them slide in. Now, the reason that I'm not too crazy for these is because they tend to not swivel when you try to change directions, which makes the chair not move at all. As long as the wheels are facing the right direction, these things roll amazingly. Time to put the new cylinder in. Make sure to remove the cover that's on the cylinder, otherwise you won't be able to depress the button and make the chair go up or down. Simply slide your dust cover over the new cylinder, put it into the base, and guide the cylinder into the hole in your chair. And once the cylinder is in the chair, go ahead and stand your chair back up, and then give it a good bounce with your weight to set the cylinder in the rest of the way. Test out your hydraulics to make sure everything works, and that's it. A 5-minute fix for a really annoying issue. Thanks so much for watching. If you like the content, it helps a ton if you share the video and like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you stay up to date with new content as it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.